Who has right of way at this intersection? We had a question by one of our viewers. If there's cars coming from the opposite direction and other cars flock up from behind, when you're in the middle of the manoeuvre, while you're making a U-turn, during the exercise left someone behind in the driving assessment in Australia. What would you do if you're in the middle of the U-turn and the people start to flock up behind you, and as a result, you'd be blocking the street? So I'll show you in a moment what I mean. If you got to that point, okay, and that's where your car is, and you need to turn that way, but you got traffic coming from the opposite direction, and clearly you would have to give way to them. So the question was, what would you do if the cars start flocking up, from that direction? It would be exactly the same as if you were turning right. So people from behind you will not have priority over you because you need to turn. So, if you got there in time, so if you didn't interfere, with them, so if you didn't cut them off, if you got there in time, and then later on, as you waited for the traffic coming from that direction, and in the meantime, the cars started flocking up from that direction, clearly they would have to wait for you to turn before they can proceed. Now, they can overtake you on the left if there's enough space on the left, but sometimes the street is too narrow. So whenever you are in this position here, you will have priority over the cars coming from behind you. Don't try to beat the traffic that's coming from the opposite direction because you've got to give way to them. Always understand that the cars from behind you must wait. It's exactly the same situation as if you were turning right initially, coming from the same direction where the cars are, that are behind you. If you still have any concerns, please feel free to ask us any questions down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.